Many people feel discouraged today, not because they've failed, but because they believe they're too slow. They look around and see others moving faster, achieving more, reaching milestones sooner, and quietly a question forms in their mind. Am I falling behind? But Confucius offered a truth that has carried people through centuries of doubt. It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. We live in a world that worships speed, fast success, fast results, fast transformation. And when progress isn't instant, we assume something is wrong with us. But growth has never moved at the speed of applause. It moves at the speed of roots, slow, unseen, patient. Most people don't fail because they move slowly. They fail because they stop. They stop when progress feels invisible. They stop when comparison becomes loud. They stop when effort isn't rewarded quickly enough. Confucius understood something we often forget. Stopping breaks momentum. Slowness does not. When Confucius spoke these words, he wasn't encouraging laziness. He was teaching endurance. He was saying, consistency outlives intensity. Direction matters more than speed. Persistence is stronger than talent. One step a day, taken faithfully, will always defeat bursts of effort followed by silence. Think about your own life, the habits you want to build, the healing you want to experience, the person you are becoming. None of these happen overnight, and none of them need to. Progress that feels slow today is often the progress that lasts. You are not late. You are not broken. You are not failing. You are simply walking your path at the pace your soul can sustain. And that is wisdom, not weakness. This teaching connects deeply with another reflection on this channel, The Secret to the Real You, timeless wisdom from Rumi and Aristotle, where we explore how growth begins by honoring who you are, not rushing to become someone else. It also pairs beautifully with Why You Feel Lost in Life, ancient wisdom for a modern struggle. A reminder that feeling behind is often a sign you're listening, not lost. And when doubt creeps in during slow seasons, how ego holds you back. The silent killer of growth offers clarity on why patience is one of the strongest disciplines. Confucius didn't promise an easy road. He promised a meaningful one. So keep walking, even if the steps are small, even if no one is watching, because the path continues, as long as you do. If this message spoke to you, like the video so it reaches others who need patience today, share it with someone who feels behind, and subscribe for more timeless wisdom. And tell me in the comments, what are you continuing, even slowly? Until next time, walk gently, trust your pace, and keep going.